It looks well sporty for this angle because it looks, you know, it's rugged. It doesn't look as stingy at the back.
I just looked at it like, what the fuck is that thing?
Are you?
No.
You better learn what the fuck your legs are and the way they'll have it for now.
Guys! Oh my. Right, so what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Lucio back, and I'm better than ever. These boxes are heavier than they look, aren't they, Ellie? Speaking of my dog, come here. Oh, fine, run away then. Oh. Right, so the other thing I got was a wall bracket, but I'll get into that. I need to move these boxes. I need 2 minutes. Got one. So I'm going to get right into this wee unboxing right now. I'm going to change camera angle so you can see me better doing this. Easily slice it. Oh damn it.
Goodbye, my lover.
Oh my.
Goodbye, my friend.
Oh
You have
my,
been the
oh my,
one.
oh my.
You have been the one for me. Goodbye.
Right. I'm gonna get back to use when the TV's out of the box because it will just be easier. It'll be 10 times easier, guys. 10 times easier. I've got the TV out. It literally took me like, I swear to God, like 20 seconds. Basically, I'm just going to unwrap that now and like just show you what kind of TV it is. I'm going to like unbox my BenQ monitor. Get a better view on that. Yeah, BenQ. There we go. So that should be good. And now, right, Ellie. Take. Oh, snapped halfway. Not again. Why is this quality so bad? There we go. There we go. That's it looking fresh. That's that done now. That's the monitor. There's my dogs in the background. Just yeah, that's the monitor. What's going to go on my desk. I think it can tilt. Yeah, it can. Our room's going to be amazing. I'm going to have LED strips and everything. You will see. I'm going to stop the clip here and just like take everything back up to my room. I just done the unboxing down here because my room is tiny. What's going to happen? That TV is going to go into my mum's room over the hall. Monitor. It's going to go next to that. I really don't know where to put this TV. I don't know. So my bed's here. I face towards here. I can see what it's like there. Oh no. Need to reverse it.
Oh crap.
Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the
It's
one.
on record.
You have been the one for me. Goodbye.
Can you get me something I can hit this hard with?
Hit you hard? You're well off. Fucking dust, man! Ah, man. Wait now. Wait, Mitchell, don't you know? I need something to hold, like.
Fuck off.
You're fucking leaking.
I know. You've got to kid on, but you know, because I'm stinking. Use that bedsheet. I'll catch it, trust me.
No! It's fucking brand new! I don't want my TV. And food.
No, didn't you just have them? Fuck it, Dave!
There was one day when I hung in the gym. See, I tried putting these shelves up myself. I don't know what these.
For fuck's sake!
It's good. 9 pounds.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
And Jim came up and they were lining fucking my smashed trophies lining filled me.
Is your one not going mental? You wrecked the wall, did you know?
Aye.
How that can do it?
I hope so too.
Can't go upper rocker.
Oh, Mitchell.
Oh, I forgot.
Oh my fucking god. What fucking space radar, man. Get the neck of that.
I told you not to put it down there.
You fought it.
Oh, fuck, it's not gone.
What? Get it over you. You're gonna slant. Oh my, in the kind of that in there.
Get the hoover up. Right, last one.
Oh wait, aye, I'll be able to get a hoover up the circle. I forgot that.
Right, move it over. Spa. I'm not looking for them.
Oh, it's real funny. I got it on camera. Right, I hope you enjoyed that little video of myself and Mitchell. And by the way, that spot, it's so bad, so I'm just gonna cover it up right now. It might look stupid me doing this, but it's better than looking at that. So I'm just gonna cover it up. Yeah, as I said, I really do hope you enjoyed it. I found it so funny. If you guys didn't laugh throughout this video, I don't know why you didn't. It's so funny. Mitchell's reaction and all that. It was too funny, so I'm gonna need to go. I just need to take my hand off now. So if you like this video, make sure to smash that like button. It'll be greatly appreciated. Keep smiling, stay inspired. I shall catch your lovely face, in my next video.
You are recording. Can we stop recording?
No, just put that in the bloopers. I don't want to.
Just don't look at me.
Huh?
Just don't look at me.
No, I don't care about you. I just find it funny because I generally did break my TV hitting out there.
Well, then you just got to hold it up to the wall.
Right.
Got your cramp again. I'll get cramp halfway through. Right, hang on.
It's recording.
Oh, so it is. What?